Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade A51, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location of this device. First of all, go into Tab menu and look for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. Then, to disable location, select Close in No Location Access pop-up and go back. As you can see, my shortcut is gray. That means that location is off. If you wish to switch it on, just tap on the same tile one more time. You can also go into Settings, scroll down and look for Location section. When you find it, click on it. Then tap on this switcher next to Use Location to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!